Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I finally got Android 11 on my Pixel 2 XL. Let's see what changes the Android 11 has brought to Pixel devices. Notification separation is the first thing you will notice on this update. This update keeps your conversation separate from your other notifications, giving them priority near the top of your notifications shed. This makes it easier for you to view any of the important conversations at a glance. If you are a Pixel phone user, recording your screen on Android has been a bit of a hassle, requiring you to use third-party apps that are often buggy. With Android 11, you can now record content on your device, including audio from your mic, device, or both without using third-party app. You can simply open the notifications shed to access this option. Switching audio devices was a bit of a pain on Android, especially now that Bluetooth headphones are here to stay. The new Android version has been redesigned to make it easier for you to manage your audio playback experience. Everything can now be done on the notifications shed. The new update is also making it more convenient to take screenshots and capture text from apps. You can now swipe up and hold to access the app card view, from which you can opt to take a screenshot and edit an image or select any text on the screen. A lot of changes have been made, like bubbles in conversations, permissions of apps, and so much. Some of the changes, like live view, location sharing, and screenshots, and text selections, are specific to Pixel phones. Well, that's it for today. If there's any feature that is left out, please drop it in the comment box below. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.